Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make beef steaks. Cutlet, very famous in Kurtori, but nowadays you get it anywhere in Goa. Any local stall you find this. So why don't we try and make it at home? So let's get started. In order to make that, I've taken 500 grams of beef. First you need to slice it very thin. Check the thickness. This is how it should be. Now once you slice the beef, next step is to hammer this with the help of a stone, or if you have a steak hammer, it's even better. Now let's prepare the masala. I've taken 2 Kashmiri red chillies, then 1 small pod of garlic clove, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, 2 green chillies, half a teaspoon of cumin whole, 1 inch of cinnamon, 1 inch of ginger, half a teaspoon of black peppercorn, and 6 each of a clove. Add all this ingredient to the grinding jar by adding 2 tablespoons of vinegar and sufficient amount of water to make a fine paste. Add masala to the beef. Add quarter teaspoon of sugar. Salt is to taste. 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 egg. Beat it up and add in this and mix it. Mix all the ingredients together. Once it is mixed well, keep it on the side for minimum of 3 hours. Now let's start to crumb the steaks. But before that, you need to keep the pan hot in order to fry them. Take semolina, dust it on one side, flip it over. This is how you have to make. Immediately put it on the tawa. Same step with all the steaks. Keep the flame on low. Keep enough oil so that they fry evenly. So once it get color on one side, turn and cook on the other side. Check how beautiful they look. Let it cook on slow range. So if you keep it on high, what happens is the semolina will get burned and the beef will not get cooked. We need the meat to get it tender. We have already marinated and kept. This is how you cook and you will get soft and crispy steaks. So now these are ready. I'm going to remove and start with the next batch. Now take a bread, apply ketchup, place steak on that. Look how delicious and lovely it looks. Add some cabbage shredded and onion and cover this, and you can have this. Check this out. This is how you make steak bread. Watch step by step recipe. You can do this right. Thanks for watching guys, and God bless you all.